I think this is a great platform for the retailers and suppliers for private label in India because I believe private label is here to stay in India and it's going to grow. And full marks to the organizers of this tremendous event where we get to see the new innovation in private label in India and also see the growth of businesses. I'm very happy to see how the businesses are flourishing and we would come back again next year to see how India has done in the last 12 months. But yes, all in all, a very, very good conference to attend.